Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Groman's Adventures. Today we're going to build my helmet setup, as you can see there, that I'm going to use for the trip. This is for the Shoei GT Air. The completed version looks like this, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. The parts we'll need for the making of this helmet, pretty simple. Sugru, this is what we use to mount the base plate for the GoPro mount on the chin there. Then for the GoPro part, this is the only thing we need. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts and 2 screws. And that's basically it. Get rid of this nasty, we only need that. The screwdriver, something to clean the surface with, something to rough up the surface where we're going to mount the Sugru paste, and of course the Sena 10U made for this helmet. Also, of course, we have this is the microphone I'm going to use for the GoPro, but I've actually already installed it inside the helmet with some Sugru, so it's stuck in there. I can't. It's right there, as you can see. And so basically, first of all, you just take your helmet and take everything out of the helmet, all the padding and stuff like that. I'm gonna start with installing the Sena 10U. We have this middle part, which goes to next side of the helmet. And you basically just press it in. It slides in through between the inner lining and the outer shell. We start with the neck part of the entire thing. Just the microphone. So when you have the neck part installed like this, you should have something looking like this. And for the left side you have a speaker, antenna and 2 buttons. With a microphone. Start off with an antenna. And what you'll do is you'll line up these round holes with these dots to reattach the padding. Line up with that, like this. First speaker. Yeah, it's this 1 and 2 little clips that just goes inside 2 small holes. Like that. And this one as well lines up with that white dot. We're just gonna flip this over and open the visor, go inside, bring it up and slide it in between the right speaker, and it's the same with this one. It's just, yes, the Sena is fully installed. Now we just have to make sure that all the wiring goes the way they should when we're installing the padding. We're going to make sure that this wire also gets inside here correctly. This is the microphone for the GoPro. Right here, stuck with some Sugru to keep it in place. Just put that inside of the helmet. Microphone adapter, which we will use to connect the audio source to the GoPro. We can actually just have that there to keep it in place, like this. You see that? Sweden. 1, 2. The cheek pads. One. So for the right side, and what we have to do is wait for the camera to focus. We're gonna take this wire, stick it in between the outer shell here and the lining. You want it to stick down here, not inside here, because there's the clip for the clip, and you just can't put it back then. So you keep it inside in the back here, and then you should be all good to just put this in, I guess. Perfect. Yeah, like that. And that's it. That's the Sena installed and ready. And also the microphone for the GoPro, which we're going to place here. Obviously everybody thinks differently, so I don't mind if you have something else to say about it, but this is the cleanest look in my opinion, and this is what I've used to make it happen. Yeah, Sugru. It's like Play-Doh, basically. And what I did was I took one of these, I ripped off this the adhesive that it comes with it, cleaned the surface with some alcohol and there as well. Open this up, stick it on there, shape it to the precise shape of this, and then just poof right on there. And then it takes like 24 hours, and then it's completely, it's solid. I mean, you can't remove this. That's solid. Cleanest look in my opinion. You will need this regular GoPro mount. It's just that it's extended like this. It also works with the J-hook version. It's actually more extended than this one, and it will work better depending on what helmet you're using. But for this one, I think this is okay. It still extends to the amount that it's, you know, it's. And then you just need this. This is the only thing. So 2 parts: this extension or the J-hook. Okay, so I didn't find them, the J-hook version, but what I did find is this, to show you the difference. When you build these ones together, and then you take one of these. If you want the cleanest look, of course. GoPro mount extended version, the 90-degree angle on there. Tilt it down, put the cage on there, pop it into place. This is how it looks like. This is how clean it should be. For example, a lot of people uses this kind of solution. We just have the base plate, and then you have to use several of these joints, something like on the side here on the helmet, so the camera gets on the front, but from the side, like this or something. Is that clean or what? Like this? Obviously, you want to have your ports open here. The mic. Complete setup. You have GoPro recording everything you see in front of you. Internal microphone, so you won't hear all the wind noise. The Sena 10U installed now, so I can talk to friends, listen to music, radio, and that's the complete setup. This is how clean it should be, in my opinion. Let me know what you think.